Hey, how's it going? Ezekielo here. Welcome to another video. So today we are taking a look at an interesting pair of truly wireless earbuds. They are called the Mpow T6L truly wireless earbuds. I have been using them now for a few weeks and they really impressed me considering how much you're paying for these. I'll be telling all about these truly wireless earbuds. First of all, let's take a look at what comes in the box. So opening the package, you've got the earbuds placed separately, and then you've got the charging case, and then there are some accessories. You've got a micro USB cable for charging these up. These don't use USB Type-C. And then there are some ear tips for you to find the right fit. And then there is a quick start guide. Well, as you can see, here is the charging case. It's got a very solid build quality. When you hold it for the first time, you'll notice that they are solidly built. Behind the charging case, you've got your micro USB port. There is a standard USB port here for charging up your devices on the go. If you want to quickly top up your smartphone on the go, you can do that with this, which is really good. Taking a look at the earbuds themselves, you'll notice that they are well put together. They look like truly wireless earbuds that cost about 2 to 3 times the price. On their sides, they've got touch controls, so you can tap to play and pause your music, and then you can long press to access your voice assistant on your device. You can easily play back music, answer calls, and access other functions as well. One thing I like about the touch controls is that they are very responsive. As you can see, it's got some lighting around the touch controls, which is really beautiful. So once you have these paired up, the lights turn blue, and then whenever you put these in their charging case, the lights turn green. It shows you they are charging up. And then once the earbuds are fully charged, the lights go off. For Bluetooth connectivity, you are getting Bluetooth 5.0. Another thing for you to bear in mind is that these are IPX7 waterproof. Yes, you heard me right, which is really good. So these earbuds pretty resist sweat, water and rain. So as long as you don't submerge this in water for too long, you should be fine. You can either use one or two of them at a time, which is really good. So even if you take out one of these earbuds and you have the other in the case, it's going to pair up with your smartphone. Yes. For charging times, it takes about 1.5 hours to charge up the earbuds themselves. Then to charge up the charging case, it takes about 2 to 3 hours. One thing I noticed is that these are quite slippery taking them out of their case. I just wish the edges of the earbuds were a little bit grippy for a better hold when taking them out of their case. They are quite reflective, and also they are kind of a fingerprint magnet. They are going to pick up a lot of fingerprints. Now coming to comfort, these are pretty comfortable. As long as you insert them properly into your ears, you are going to get a very comfortable snug fit. These earbuds are not small in size. You'll notice that they are a bit bulky. So once you wear these, they protrude out of your ears a little bit, so you have to bear that in mind. When it comes to sound leakage, that is very minimal with these earbuds. They are well put together, no openings by the side. At 50% volume, the person by my side cannot hear anything. Yes. Battery life is decent, although it could be better. You are going to get about 3.5 hours from a single charge, and the charging case provides an additional 5 to 6 times of charge. So you are getting a total of about 21 hours of battery life, which is pretty good. Call quality on these is pretty decent, but it could be better. What I noticed when using these to make calls is that the person at the other end could not really hear me clearly until I raised my voice. As long as you're going to speak up when you're making calls, they are pretty usable. Coming to Bluetooth connectivity, I've not had any issues whatsoever. Once I just take these out of their charging case, it pairs up with my smartphone or my laptop easily without any issues whatsoever. Now coming to sound quality, these are really insane. So if you love bass and you've used many earbuds that don't really have bass, or you've not been satisfied with the amount of bass on them, these would definitely impress you. Trust me, these are one of the bassiest, if I'll use that word, bassiest earbuds I've ever listened to. Yes, you heard me right. The bass on these are really good. You get very punchy and slightly boosted bass. The more you crank up the volume, the bass gets better. Yes, that's what I noticed, which is really impressive. The mids are also there, and then at max volumes, the vocals don't really get piercing or tinny. So the treble, the vocals, the instrument separation is very good for the price point. Pretty clear. Although the bass is a little bit, overstated, but for the bass lovers, definitely you are going to enjoy these earbuds. Coming to audio synchronization when watching videos, these are pretty good. Even though they've not really got any aptX, synchronization was pretty decent. So when playing videos online, I didn't notice any lag whatsoever, which is really good. So as you all can see, these earbuds got a lot going for them, especially considering their price point. I just wish there was a dedicated app to tweak the sound settings a little bit, but unfortunately you don't get that. So as always, I'll be throwing links down in the description section for you if you want to purchase these. Feel free to check out other nifty gadgets on this channel. Thanks so much for watching. I am Ezekielo, and I'll talk to you all in the next video. Adios.